Hey everyone, Daniel here from Twin Bytes with another tutorial with security for your device. Now, if you like the idea of you having your laptop and when you walk away from the computer, it would automatically lock the computer for you and you'd be required to enter your password again or your PIN or whatever you have set up for a sign-in. So I'm going to be able to show you in this video how you can automate this coming right up. Alright, so with security being such a huge deal now because of so much hacking going on in this technology world that we live in, I've been doing a number of different security videos, which you can see. I'll link to the playlist up here for you. Now, this one here is built in with Windows 10, and it allows you to lock your computer screen automatically when you walk away from the computer and you go out of range. So the one point with this is that you need to have your cell phone on you. So when you walk away far enough from your computer, if you forget to lock the screen before you walk away and you didn't realize you're going to be gone for so long or walking far enough away and you don't want prying eyes to get in your computer, then as long as your cell phone is on you and you walk out of range, your computer will lock automatically. So I'm going to show you how you can do this. So if we go in through your start button and go into the settings, and because there's a number of ways of getting to this, it's easier to just type it in. So as you start typing in the word dynamic, it comes up automatically. Of course, I spelt it wrong as I'm going through this. And there's the dynamic lock status and the dynamic lock. Now, either way, it's going to take you to the right place. And it shows a whole bunch of different sign-in options, but if you scroll down far enough here, and I'll scroll down, we'll see dynamic lock, and it tells you here that it can use devices that are paired with your computer to know when you're away, because it detects when you're out of the range of the Bluetooth, then it will automatically lock it. So there's only a couple of simple steps that you need to do for this. So the first is to click on Allow Windows to lock it automatically. Now, if you don't already have your phone synced or paired with the computer for some of the other features that you can do, then it's going to tell you here that it's not working because it is not paired yet, and you need to go to Bluetooth and other devices to pair the device. And conveniently, there's a link right below that to jump to Bluetooth and other devices. So we'll go in there, we'll see the Bluetooth is turned on, and we need to add that device. Now, the device isn't listed in here at this time, so you can go to add a device and you can go to Bluetooth, and you have to make sure that your device is on and searchable by Bluetooth. Now, if it's not turned on, then it won't show up. Now, I had mine on earlier and I went through and cleared it after doing this, so there's something else maybe happening. So if it doesn't come up that way, you gotta make sure that it's discoverable. But you can see here that my computer, because of the Bluetooth turned on now, it is discoverable. So I just need to go through my phone and go to my Bluetooth section, and it searches for available Bluetooth devices, and then from there I'm able to select that device. Whoops. And it pops up on the computer screen saying add a device, tap to set up your device name, and then I look at that, it says the name of my device and it's got the PIN, and I can verify that the PIN number on the computer is the same as the PIN number on my device. So I'm going to hit OK on the device, and I'm going to hit yes on the computer, and now it has connected, and my phone says it's pairing, and the computer says it's set up. And then the phone, for some reason, saying it couldn't connect, but the computer is now just saying it's connected. So yeah, just going out of the screen and going back into it for me refreshed my phone, so it now shows that it's paired, which makes sense because the computer is already saying that it's paired. So now that they're paired, we can go back and double check our dynamic lock. If I can type, only just part of it I need to be able to type, and I couldn't do that. Alright, so it says to allow it, and it shows the picture of the laptop with a little line going to a picture of a phone with the name of the phone. And there's no message saying that it couldn't be done because it's not paired or nothing paired. It is showing the pair and to what it's paired with. So this is now set up. The check mark's on to allow Windows to automatically lock your device when you're away. So if I was to walk away from the computer out of range, it's automatically going to lock the screen. And I attempted to do this while testing it before doing this video, and I walked away, you know, just outside the room and down the hall before having to put my boots on and go outside to get that far away, and I didn't want to do that. So it must be requiring to be far enough away that the Bluetooth is completely out of range, because my Bluetooth signal seems to be fairly strong between the two of them, that it requires me going a fair distance away before it will lock. But this is good if you're going to leave the house or leave the office, or go out to see somebody that's far enough away that you're not that close to your machine anymore. Then it will lock it for you, which is great security. For me personally, I don't use this feature because I don't carry my phone on me if I'm going to walk away from my desk for a short distance. I'm not always going to have it on me, so it's kind of pointless. And if I am going to be leaving to go somewhere else, I will have my phone with me, but I always make sure that I lock the laptop, unless of course I'm bringing it with me. Then it becomes a non-issue anyway. So for those of you that like the idea of locking the computer automatically because you're not going to remember it and you always have your phone glued to you, then this is a perfect security feature to add to your array of security options that you have. And I'd love to hear what you guys think about this, if you've used it before, and if you have any other ideas and suggestions for future videos. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more videos like this and more. Alright, thanks so much guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.